Esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to address the first Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit to take place in the United States of America. I would like to thank the Honorable Thomas Wolfe, Governor for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, for hosting today's forum, and I am sorry I cannot join you in person today in Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is rightly regarded as an industrial powerhouse. It is a city with a rich industrial and manufacturing heritage, and a fitting place to launch a forum that will help shape the future of manufacturing, not just in the US, but around the world. GMIS America brings governments and the private sector together to explore opportunities to make industry more resilient, more competitive, and more sustainable. Today's summit will advance the dialogue on how to decarbonize industry and help industry to accelerate and take advantage of the global energy transition. Central to this discussion is the adoption of advanced technologies. Advances in artificial intelligence, robotics, and nanotechnology are opening up new pathways for industrial growth and ensuring that economic and climate progress go hand in hand. These technologies can help us design circular solutions for industry, dramatically reduce energy consumption, and disrupt existing production models. That said, we need to recognize that heavy industries still very much rely on traditional sources of energy. As such, we need to invest more in the technologies that can mitigate their environmental impact, such as carbon capture and storage. We need more zero-carbon energy, such as nuclear power and hydrogen, and we need to invest in better battery technology that can make renewable energy a viable option for all industries. Progress along all these paths is based on partnership between industrial sectors, collaboration with government, and the active inclusion of the energy industry. As a global energy and growing industrial hub, the UAE is building on its leadership as a reliable energy provider to expand into the energies of the future. We are also investing in the infrastructure of 4IR industries. We have established the first university devoted to the study and exploration of artificial intelligence. We have launched an industrial development program called UAE Industry 4.0 to support domestic and international companies on their digital transformation journey. And we are creating a dynamic ecosystem for high-tech partnerships that we want to build on. One of the key goals of today's forum is to strengthen those partnerships and create new ones. The UAE has a long-established model for driving progress through partnerships. Next year, the UAE will welcome the world at COP28, where we will partner with the world for climate progress. We will encourage the active participation of industry and the private sector to transform ambition into action for low-carbon industrial growth. So let me extend an open invitation to join us there, if not sooner, to help advance our collective industrial development and build a more sustainable future together. Thank you.